Hey guys, Miner Ma. I have learned a lot of great things by gold mining, and I have a lot of tools. And these tools can be applied for treasure hunting, and I wanted to share them with you because they're important. LiDAR maps show you the ground without any trees. It shows you where the earth has been moved and in which directions. And that's why it's key for treasure hunting. So let's get started. So ARCGIS Online is what you want, and Google BLM National Data and click on that button. Sometimes Chrome doesn't load all the maps, so you can find a different server if that is the case. So it'll put you here to BLM National Data Viewer. Click OK. And you'll notice that over here, that's mining claims is where I usually go, but for this purpose, I mean, there's all kinds of things you guys can look up. But we're just going to exit out right now, and we're going to go to the left and type in Golden Gate Park, because that's where a lot of people think that one of the treasures is. Click it and it'll take you there. I like to exit out that, and then I zoom in by the plus symbol and see how it put me right at Golden Gate Park. Now this is on regular maps, and up here there's this map symbol. Kind of looks like a little window. You click on that and it'll give you all kinds of maps. Great maps for treasure hunting of any kind. But the one you want, you're going to want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you want the one that says terrain with labels, this one here. Then you can exit that out, and then here, voila, we have it. We have Golden Gate Park. You can go over to the area that you want. You can kind of pan around if you hold on to it. You can also zoom in, and this will show you different viewpoints of the earth without any trees. So if anything was dug into the ground or built up, you're going to see it here. Now here I'm going to go over to Strawberry Hill. A lot of people think that there might be treasure here, and I'm going to kind of just pan it over, looking for anything that kind of sticks out. And what I see here is right over here. See that? That seems to be modified in some way. I'm not sure what it is, but kind of gives me an idea. Now I'm going to cruise over here and see these. This is something abnormal. Could be rocks. Could be where old trees used to be and they ripped them out. So that just kind of gives you just an overview of Golden Gate Park. Now I want to go over to Aquatic Park. Let's go check that area out. So I go over to the left search bar. I put in Aquatic Park. Voila, it brings me there. Exit that out. You'll see this purple area, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Basically, different colors come up depending on what layers you have on, and it'll tell you like if it's National Forest or BLM or who controls the land. So you go up here to this one. See how it looks like little layers, like folded sheets almost. And you click on that, and you're going to want to take your admin off, and then you slide all the way down and you take off those two, and then that will remove the purple boundary. You'll see that it's gone now. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's a building of some sort. We're just kind of cruising around here. Wherever there is any type of people, usually they kind of blur it a little bit, but it still gives you a really good idea of what's going on the earth. Very quickly, I wanted to show you this little window. That's the maps. You could go to a blueprint map. It's pretty cool. You can do earth imagery, so that you can kind of see, hey, are there trees there? What was there? You can switch between different types of aerial imagery. There's so many applications to this. If you go to topography, anybody that's done any hiking, this is a great map as well. Now I'm going back up to the search bar, and I'm putting in Ina Coolbrith Park, which is my solve. Check that video out if you guys haven't seen it. I think it's a really good solve. I'm going to zoom in, and this is where you can really tell that they do blur stuff out. But keep in mind that this is a tool for you to use. You can look up your old house if you're trying to find an old well, or maybe something was buried there and you're wondering about it. So this is not only good for treasure hunting and finding gold mines, which is what I use it for. it's just good all around to have this in your back pocket to learn about things. And you'll see that I've jumped around again on this map here, but I really hope this gives you guys an opportunity to see what's going on. It won't show you a 6-inch cast, but it will show you what used to be there. Possibly, like, let's say if there was a pole buried at one point, you might be able to find the location of that pole. And I just, I'm sorry, I'm cruising around here, but ooh, what's that? Um, but I just, again, wanted to share it with you guys so that you have another tool in your tool chest of treasure hunting, and I hope it helps. And if you guys haven't heard of me, I hide treasure chests, little tiny treasure chests with little gold nuggets in them all over California, Nevada, Arizona, and I hit San Francisco often. I think I'm going to start making them a little bit harder because the last San Francisco one was found in under an hour by Linda's team, Linda and Smiley, and so they might get a little bit harder, but hey, what fun! So if you want to find some real gold treasure in a little treasure box, head over to my YouTube or my Facebook, Miner Ma Gold, and click on subscribe, and that way you guys will know when I do a drop. Also, if you're interested in gold mining, I got a lot of great videos there too. I don't gold mine as much, and that's why I started doing treasure hunts. It's just something that's been recommended by my doctor. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.